You're watching India Today with me, Nabila Jamal. India is all set to make another highest vaccination record as we speak. India has now inoculated over 1.7 crore people so far. Only the fourth time when the daily vaccination mark crossed a milestone of 1 crore mark. The government is now aiming to cross at least 2 crore mark on the occasion of the Prime Minister's birthday, 71st birthday. In fact, BJP has now been urged to promote jabs, and state officials there have told to double the daily vaccination rate as well. India inoculated maximum number of people on August 31st last month. 1.4 crore people were vaccinated. Now, the officials are aiming for a new record today on Prime Minister's birthday. More than 63 lakh people were vaccinated in just the last 24 hours. More than 58 crore Indians have received their first dose, and nearly 19 crore people have been inoculated twice. Let me quickly cut across to Gaurav Sawant to give us the latest update on the vaccination record as per the CoWIN portal. Gaurav, over to you on that.
Nabila, the CoWIN portal is giving out these numbers. So 1 crore 10 lakhs 84,783, and even as we speak, this number has gone up to 1 crore 10 lakh 91,078. So you can make out the pace of vaccination. The aim from what officials in the Ministry of Health tell India Today is to cross the 2 crore mark, because as you very rightly pointed out, they've crossed the 1 crore mark thrice. The first time on the 27th of August, then the 31st of August, and then the 6th of September. Once again, this is the Prime Minister's birthday. So the aim is to cross the 2 crore mark is what officials tell India Today, and to focus equally on rural and urban centers. It's not just as if the focus remains on urban centers, but Health Ministry officials say that 62% of the vaccination focus remained on rural areas. This again is also a big signal that's going out to the world in terms of India using made in India vaccines to a very large extent to vaccinate people and achieve this milestone, which is 1 crore 11 lakh 8,243, even as we speak, Nabila.
This is a massive feat where we can't even imagine the pace with which India has now progressed towards vaccinating most of its population. It was unimaginable a few months earlier, but somehow the government has now today made it possible. Let me cut across to our reporters on ground who are bringing us the ground reality on this vaccination drive, which is fast covering a large chunk of the population in the country today.
वैक्सीनेशन में भारत जहां नित नए आयाम बना रहा है, तो आज देश भर में मेगा ड्राइव चल रही है। आप देख सकते हैं चंडीगढ़ की तस्वीरें हैं। हालांकि चंडीगढ़ की अगर बात करें तो पूरे शहर में आबादी का 80% से ज़्यादा हिस्सा कहीं ना कहीं वैक्सीनेटेड हो चुका है। लेकिन आज प्रधानमंत्री मोदी का जन्मदिवस भी है और यहाँ पर आपको तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हैं हम वैक्सीनेशन कैंप की। चंडीगढ़ सेक्टर 16 का ये हॉस्पिटल है और यहाँ पर लगातार लोग जो है वैक्सीनेशन के लिए यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं। मेगा ड्राइव यहाँ पर चल रही है और सुबह से लेकर अभी सैकड़ों की तादाद में लोग वैक्सीन यहाँ पर लगवा चुके हैं। 133 ये नंबर बता रहे हैं। हालांकि जैसा हमने बताया, चंडीगढ़ में जो आबादी का बहुत बड़ा भाग है वो पहले ही वैक्सीन अपने यहाँ पर लगवा चुका है, लेकिन इसके बावजूद लोग जोश और उत्साह के साथ वैक्सीन सेंटर पर लगातार आ रहे हैं।
On the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 71st birthday, as the other states are making records, UP is also not far behind. UP is all set to make a new record as far as vaccination is concerned. The state which has already achieved 9 crore 8 lakh vaccinations so far. Today the target is around 35 lakh with more than 12,000 centers operating in Uttar Pradesh. Not only in the urban areas but also at the rural, the centers have been increased, and there is a huge participation by the people who are coming at this center to get vaccinated. UP in past couple of months, specifically within 30 days, has seen a rapid growth as far as vaccination is concerned. At the same time, the number of vaccine which is currently available with Uttar Pradesh is around 45 lakhs. So this shows that how UP is prepared to make a new record. And with the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday, a mega campaign drive is underway in Uttar Pradesh to vaccinate people in record number. At the same time, there's also focused drives going on at the rural areas with making mini clusters at the block level in order to expand the drive. With that, UP is all set to make a new record as far as vaccination is concerned and making the numbers high today on the occasion, and at the same time also maintaining its own record. In Lucknow with cameraman Neeraj Kumar, Abhishek Mishra for India Today.
All right, we have our reporters joining us for more on that. Milind Sharma reporting live from Delhi. Nagarjun as well coming from Bengaluru. Milind, I'll start with you. Here we're looking at the vaccination drive fast covering a large chunk of the population in India. It's quite, we're excited to know that the vaccination drive is meeting the deadline as was expected. Take us through exactly what you see on ground.
Nabila, what is worth mentioning in this achievement is that it's not just the full day has not just, passed yet, because we're just at around afternoon. We've already done more than 1 crore vaccinations, and it is expected that probably by evening we could touch the target of more than 2 crore vaccinations today. Look at the states that are doing the highest vaccinations. If you look at the COVID dashboard, there's Bihar, there is Karnataka. They've done more than 10 lakh doses just in half a day. There's Andhra Pradesh that's done more than 5 lakh doses. There's Gujarat that's done more than 4.5 lakh doses today. So that is the kind of achievement level that we are talking about. I'm standing outside the health ministry at this moment, and I can tell you all officials within the health ministry are constantly tracking the COVID portal. We've heard from sources that the health minister has wanted to thank the people of the nation, the countrymen who have come out and shown enthusiasm to take either the first jab or the second jab of the COVID-19 vaccine on a day when the Prime Minister is also celebrating his birthday. So that seems to be a huge achievement. And people are getting vaccinated more in rural areas today. And that is the kind of enthusiasm that the health ministry is also tracking and waiting and watching whether the target of more than 2 crore vaccinations will be completed today. And that is the aim for the nation at the moment.
Right. Milind, stay with us. Let me cut across to Nagarjun Dwarkadath. Nagarjun, what's the kind of mood that you see on ground in Karnataka? Are people able to access their vaccines? Is the vaccination drive and the pace as much as it is in the rest of the country, in Karnataka as well?
Well, Nabil, in fact, when Milind spoke about the numbers, Karnataka was leading. In fact, we have crossed 1 million mark already by the noon here. I'm coming from one of the 24/7 vaccination centers that has been newly inaugurated today. Let me show you what is happening here. This is the newly inaugurated 24/7 vaccination center here in Bengaluru. And you have a pink booth as well, just for the pregnant women and lactating women. And here is vaccination counters. So today, the BBMP has inaugurated the 24-hour counter, and we have already crossed 1 million mark. And today, the mega vaccination drive is aimed at crossing 25 lakh vaccination doses, at least in Karnataka. And this is the gift to the Prime Minister is from the Karnataka, is what Higher Education Minister Ashwath Narayan said. So clearly, they're on the way to mark the highest number of vaccinations in Karnataka, at least.
Nagarjun, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Well, on the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday, a 24/7 vaccination center has been opened up in Bengaluru. It is the first in Karnataka, like Nagarjun mentioned. Now, people can get their vaccine at any time that they want to.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ನಂತರ